Okay, I don't want to get up too close to the animals because I don't want them to stop doing what they're doing because I'm taping. But Faith heard Dozer crying, like she thought it was a cat. So this is what they did yet last night too. It was hysterical. Dozer lays on his back, and Ruger fights or plays with him, and then Dozer goes, ah! Okay, I hope they do it while I'm recording. Okay, let's see, do I turn it that way? Oh, they're stopping it. They'd be lost without each other. Dozer, quit trying to pull, or Ruger, quit trying to bite his collar. Ruger tries to get Dozer's collar and drag him. They're still playing, though. Didn't he look a mad dog? Ruger has found his voice. He barks a little bit. Not a whole lot, but he barks a little bit. And Dozer gets to the point where he does not want Ruger to even climb on the chair. I really need to wash that cover. So much dog hair and stuff on it. I think they do to entertain each other. Quit stepping my sneakers, Ruger. Right there again. Hey, let go of the cover. Okay, 3 minutes, that's enough.